Yeah, so this is the reason why we are talking about, showing you how to gym. Okay, this is why you see me using dumbbell every time, using this dumbbell every day. You know, uh, without this dumbbell, nothing is actually complete. So we have to continue non-stop. Yeah, this is a non-stop training. Okay, we do this training non-stop with only one dumbbell, and this dumbbell is a special dumbbell. You understand? It's not like your typical old school type dumbbell, no, because this one is adjustable. You can adjust it to any size you like, and whatever kilogram you want it to weigh, yeah, it's okay. You can set it. Okay, the weight, any weight you want it to weigh, you can set it. This is why this dumbbell is very special. And for me, this dumbbell has done a lot of things for me. Okay, you will see a dumbbell that has helped you to keep consistency. Consistency is what we are talking about when we talk about this dumbbell, because when I drop it, you couldn't hear any noise. Okay, it's not same like my old dumbbell, which if I drop it, there's gonna be noise. Boom, you will hear noise. But this one, specially built and well protected, you're not gonna hear any noise when you drop it on the floor. Yeah, that's that about this dumbbell, my friend. This dumbbell is is pinned as a product, to this live show. All right, it's pinned. You want it? Just click the link to the product page of the video. You will see it. Okay. Some people say, hey, I want to have a good body. Please come and train me. Okay, but this is how to do this thing to have a good body. This is what I do every day. All these things about just being consistent and nothing more. Consistency is what you're talking about. That's what is called consistency, as we do it every day. Once you make up your mind, this is what I want to do, let me get this dumbbell and keep doing this every day, then watch your body change. But if you feel like, let me just get this dumbbell and do this for fashion, yeah, one thing about that is that you might get tired along the way. And the way you see me now, that I use this dumbbell to gym like this every day, every morning when I wake up, that means this dumbbell gives me strength. Doesn't keep me lazy. You understand? And that is where consistency comes from. When you get something that don't keep you lazy. And that should be something you like also, And this one is a dumbbell that will make you to like lift it and see. You will like what you're doing. Because if you don't like what you're doing, then forget about the result, man. Forget about the result. If you don't like what you're doing, you're going to quit. And the dumbbell will not give you the result you want. So, You might be surprised and wondering, this guy just gym every day. You never tired? No. I never tired, I never get tired. This is what is called, passion. That is passion. You understand? When you get passion for this type of gym or exercise, you get yourself a dumbbell. You practice every day. Then you watch your body transform. This live show is a product live show, okay, of just a dumbbell. So it's not our own regular live show where we talk of some things. Here we can't really talk things, okay, because we just focus. This one is well focused on this dumbbell alone, how to use it, how I use it, what has it done for me. See, today now, the weather is very cold, colder than yesterday. Now I'm going to dress up with confidence and go out, even though it's cold. The point is, this dumbbell has helped me to, to make my body warm before leaving my house. Blood circulation, it's okay. Health-wise, good. Yeah, everything perfect. So when we get into the cold